religious form. Today is Independence Day. Now I am saying topic about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on
Sunday से आगे हमें कर पाए
My name is Nitya Bhattacharya. Now I am going to say a few lines about Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on every year on 5th November. It is the day when India got independence from the British. We celebrate this day with proud and joy. In Happy Independence Day, thank you. My name is Deja Sarkar. I edit class 4. Now it's about Independence Day.